In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Authy app. If you're looking to add an extra layer of protection to your online accounts, getting the Authy app onto your phone is a simple place to start. We'll keep this quick and clear so you can get it installed without any guesswork. Begin on your phone. Open your preferred web browser, and in the search bar, type Authy download. Hit search. You'll see a list of results right away. Scroll down for a bit and look for the official store links. You want the option that takes you to the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device or the App Store if you're using an Apple device. That wording is your cue. Get it on Google Play for Android or download on the App Store for Apple. Tap the link that matches your device. It should open the Authy page in your device's official App Store. From here, you're in familiar territory. Just follow the download steps your phone shows you. The store will guide you through the process automatically, starting the download, installing the app, and placing the icon on your phone when it's done. If your device asks you to confirm with your password, fingerprint, or Face ID, go ahead and approve like you normally would for any app download. A few quick tips can make this even smoother. Stick to the official store page rather than third-party sites, and double-check you're on the genuine Authy listing. Using a stable Wi-Fi connection helps the download finish faster, and having a little free space on your phone keeps things moving without interruptions. Also, make sure you're signed in with the Google or Apple account you usually use for downloading apps, so you'll receive updates automatically later. Once the download finishes, look for the Authy icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. That's your confirmation that the installation is complete and the app is ready whenever you are. No extra steps needed right now. Just having the app on your device puts you one step closer to stronger account security. To recap in plain terms, search for Authy download, scroll through the results until you see the official store link, tap, get it on Google Play if you're on Android, or download on the App Store if you're on Apple, then follow the on-screen instructions your phone provides. That's all it takes, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having Authy ready on your device.